Alright guys, didn't get the button recorded when I should have, but we got a fish and it's our first flounder of the season. Let's get it in. Loosen up this line a little bit. There we go. Let's see what we got. Easy, 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 easy. I saw it flapping, so I didn't know what it was. I just know there was a fish over there, but threw it over there and got a fish. Definitely, probably not a keeper. Doesn't look like it. Gotta be minimum 14, but we can always measure. I don't think it's a keeper, y'all. Hurry up so we can get this fish back in the water. Got it. Hooked it perfect right in the mouth. Good. Yeah, it's not a keeper. It's only 13 inches, but nonetheless, first flatty of the season. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let it go. So get it back in. If you're wondering what I caught it on today, I caught that pretty little flounder on a 3/16 trout eye jig head with the Berkley Gulp 4-inch swimming mullet pearl white. Nothing added to it, just this right here. So yeah, so we got our first flounder. Let's go catch some more.